Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach a piece entitled Ndifuna Wena by DJ TK. Now the piccolo part starts off by playing the basic rhythm to the piece. And it starts on A, C, going to B, D, C, E, F, A, E, G, F, A, and then back to E, G, and back to F, A. The rhythm goes like this. Right, so you're going to start off from A, C. You're going to be playing two notes together, just like a soprano. That's the first rhythm. And then you move to the next notes, which are B and D once. One, two, three, four. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. You move to B and D. Next, you move up to C and E and start off the rhythm again from the beginning. Move to the next notes, D and F. So you got C and E and then D and F. From the beginning, A, C, B and D, and then C and E to D and F. And then next, you start from E and G, F and A. So E and G to F and A, back to E and G. So from the beginning, A, C, B and D, and then from C and E to D and F, and then from E and G to F and A, and then back to E and G once, and then E, G, F, A. That's the last part. E, G, F, A. So A, C, B, D, C, E, D, F, E, G. Let me take that again. So from the beginning, A, C to B, D, and then from C, E to D, F, and then from E, G to F, A, and then back to E, G, and then E, G, F, A to end. E, G, F, A. So the whole part. Right, so that is the introduction to the song, the piccolo part. Next, the piccolo, as normal, will move into the melody, and it goes like this. Right, and here are the notes. E, G, 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 A. All right? E, G, 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 A. So you do that twice. E, G, 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 A. Then again. And the third time you go E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. Listen again. E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. Right, the reason why I roll on that C is because with the marimba, when you strike a note, the sound doesn't sustain. It immediately dies away. So that's why you need to roll to keep the sound sustaining. All right. So E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. Keep it going. G, 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 A. And then E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. So you're going to play that first melody twice through. Right, let's move to the second melody. Right, here you go. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, G, E, C, G, G, G. And then the third time you go A, C. All right. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 A, C. All right. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 E. E, C, G, 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 A, C. So that's the second melody. Now I'm going to play the first melody twice and then the second melody twice. Right, third melody from E and G. E, G, E, G, E, A. And you pause. So you go E, G, E, G, E, A. E, G, E, G, E, A. And then the third time. E, G, E, G, E, A. G, G, F, E. Let's do that third part again. E, G, E, G, E, A, G, G, and then F, E, and then you roll on E. E, G, E, G, E, A, G, G, F, E. E, G, E, G, E, A. E, G, E, G, E, A. E, G, E, G, E, A, G, G, F, E. Right, from the first melody. Right, and then we come to the last melody. From the C at the top, you're going to roll on that C. You're going to go C, B, A, and roll on A. So you only play B once. C, B, A. Again, C, B, A. And then A, G, E. A, G, E. That's it. So C, B, A, G, E. C, B, A. Right, that's your fourth melody. Now I'm going to take it now from the introduction. First variation, second variation, third variation, fourth variation. So what's left now is just the ending. Now the ending part is the introduction to the first melody. So you only go like this: E, G, 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 A, E, G, 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 A, E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. Twice. Second time. And keep rolling and fading on C. Okay, that will be your ending. And then second time. And that should be your end. Right, that is your piece, Ndifuna Wena. I hope you're going to enjoy putting it together. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.